NAD is one of the most important molecules in cellular metabolism. It plays a central role in mitochondrial energy production, DNA repair, and cellular longevity. But NAD levels naturally decline as we age, which is one reason why energy production and cellular repair can slow down over time. In our formula, we combine NAD with TMG, trimethylglycine, and Apigenin. TMG supports methylation pathways, which are necessary for maintaining healthy NAD metabolism. Apigenin helps slow down the breakdown of NAD by inhibiting an enzyme called CD38. So instead of just adding NAD, we created a system that helps support NAD production and preserve NAD levels in the body. I recommend taking NAD in the morning because it supports mitochondrial energy production. Taking it earlier in the day helps support sustained energy and mental clarity. Immediately, you'll feel improved energy, better focus, and greater endurance within days or weeks. Because NAD supports mitochondrial function, the benefits often show up as improved cellular energy. NAD is a critical coenzyme used in hundreds of metabolic functions in the body. It supports mitochondrial ATP production, it activates sirtuins involved in cellular repair, and it plays a role in maintaining DNA integrity, keeping you young, healthy, and vibrant. By supporting NAD levels, we're supporting the entire energy system of the body. A majority of people notice more sustained energy, improved focus, and better recovery from physical and mental stress. Those are the exact signs that mitochondrial function and cellular metabolism are being supported.